that's kind of for me, the difference between what I would call modern social democracy and democratic socialism. It would be that, at least in the Nordics, modern social democrats have totally given up of the idea of redistributing ownership to our banks, to our companies, to our land and algorithm and patents and every kind of productive asset. But as democratic socialists, I and we think that it's necessary to always focus on ownership, because if you don't do that, you leave the biggest weapon in the hand of the capitalist class, and they will use it to roll back any kind of social reforms that we have achieved. A key message in my book is, when socialists get to power, any kind of power, it can be popular power or political power, we should strategize and we should use that power to change patterns of ownership, expanding public ownership, expanding cooperative ownership, inventing new forms of social ownership, like the idea of wage earner funds that I discuss in the book, and that Bernie also made part of his last election campaign.